Effective means for writing a paragraph. Now that you have identified common purposes for writing and learned how to select appropriate content for a particular audience, you can think about the structure of a paragraph in greater detail. Composing an effective paragraph requires a method similar to building a house. You may have the finest content or materials, but if you do not arrange them in the correct order, then the final product will not hold together very well. A strong paragraph contains three distinct components. A topic sentence. The topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. Body. The body is composed of the supporting sentences that develop the main point. Conclusion. The conclusion is the final sentence that summarizes the main point. The foundation of a good paragraph is the topic sentence, which expresses the main idea of the paragraph. The topic sentence relates to the thesis or main point of the essay. Developing a topic sentence. Pick up any newspaper or magazine and read the first sentence of an article. Are you fairly confident that you know what the rest of the article is about? If so, you have likely read the topic sentence. An effective topic sentence combines a main idea with the writer's personal attitude opinion. It serves to orient the reader and provide an indication of what will follow in the rest of the paragraph. The topic sentence the topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. And then after that, the topic sentences usually can have a controlling idea. And whatever is in the topic sentence, that's what the whole paragraph is going to be about. So that's why each paragraph is only about one idea. And that one idea relates back to the thesis. So topic sentences contain both a main idea, the subject or topic that the writer is discussing, and a controlling idea, the writer's specific stance on that topic or subject. Just as a thesis statement includes an idea that controls a document's focus, a topic sentence must also contain a controlling idea to direct the paragraph. Different writers may use the same main idea but can steer their paragraph in a number of different directions according to their stance on the subject. Read the following examples. Marijuana is a destructive influence on teens and causes long-term brain damage. The anti-nausea properties in marijuana are a lifeline for many cancer patients. Legalizing marijuana would create a higher demand for Class A and Class B drugs. Although the main idea of marijuana is the same in all three topic sentences, the controlling idea differs depending on the writer's viewpoint. Characteristics of a good topic sentence. 5 characteristics define a good topic sentence. A good topic sentence provides an accurate indication of what will follow in the rest of the paragraph. A good topic sentence contains both a topic and a controlling idea or opinion. A good topic sentence is clear and easy to follow. A good topic sentence does not include supporting details. A good topic sentence engages the reader by using interesting vocabulary. Learning how to develop a good topic sentence is the first step towards writing a solid paragraph. Once you have composed your topic sentence, you have a guideline for the rest of the paragraph. To complete the paragraph, a writer must support the topic sentence with additional information and summarize the main point with a concluding paragraph. And so writers support the topic sentence with their supporting sentences. And so each paragraph needs to have 5 to 7 supporting sentences. So an effective paragraph contains 3 main parts: a topic sentence, the body, and the concluding sentence. And it's in the body that you have the supporting sentences. A topic sentence is typically the first sentence of a paragraph. And then the supporting sentences, which is usually in the middle of the paragraph, help explain, prove, and enhance the topic sentence. The concluding sentence is the last sentence in the paragraph. It reminds the reader of the main point of the paragraph by restating it in different needs, different words, and transitions, the concluding sentence and transitions to the next paragraph. So the first sentence of a paragraph is the topic sentence. Each of the following sentences in the paragraph support the topic sentence by providing further information. The final sentence is the concluding sentence. It reiterates the main point of the paragraph. Paragraphs that begin with a topic sentence that move from general to specific, they open with a general statement about a subject. That's known as a funnel introduction paragraph, where you open very general and you end very specific. The last sentence of a paragraph, when you write that, you're going to make sure that your topic sentence is always the first sentence of the paragraph. Implied topic sentences. Some well-organized paragraphs do not contain a topic sentence at all. Instead of being directly stated, the main idea is implied. Although no single sentence in this paragraph states the main idea, the entire paragraph focuses on one concept, that Lucilla is extremely old. So let's read this paragraph. Heaving herself up the stairs, Lucilla had to pause to breathe several times. She let out a wheeze as she sat down heavily in the wooden rocking chair. Tao approached her cautiously, as if she might crumble at the slightest touch. He studied her face like parchment stretched across the bones so finely he could almost see right through the skin to the decaying muscle underneath. Lucilla smiled a toothless grin. Although no single sentence in this paragraph states the main idea, the entire paragraph focuses on one concept, that Lucilla is extremely old. This topic sentence is thus implied rather than stated. This technique is often used in descriptive or narrative writing. Implied topic sentences works well if a writer has a firm idea of what he or she intends to say in the paragraph and sticks to it. However, a paragraph loses its effectiveness if an implied topic sentence is too subtle. And so sometimes the topic sentence can actually also be in the middle of a paragraph or even at the end of a paragraph, but that usually occurs in creative writing and in narrative writing, not in an academic essay. So when you write your academic essay, your topic sentence should always be the first sentence of the paragraph. Then you have 5 supporting sentences that support the topic sentence or the main idea, and then you have a concluding sentence. And so in a typical paragraph, you have 7 sentences. The first sentence is the topic sentence, the main idea, then you have your 5 supporting sentences, and then you have a concluding sentence. So that would be your typical paragraph structure. So if you think of a paragraph as a hamburger, the supporting sentences are the meat inside the bun. They make up the body of the paragraph by explaining, proving, or enhancing the controlling idea in the topic sentence. Most paragraphs contain 3 to 6 supporting sentences depending on the audience and purpose for writing. A supporting sentence usually offers one of the following: reason, fact, statistic, quotation, example. The type of supporting sentence you choose will depend on what you are writing and why you are writing. For example, if you're attempting to persuade your audience to take a particular position, you should rely on facts, statistics, and concrete examples rather than personal opinions. To find information for your supporting sentences, you might consider using one of the following sources: reference book, encyclopedia, website, biography, map, dictionary, newspaper, interview, previous experience, personal research. When searching for information on the internet, remember that some websites are more reliable than others. Websites ending in .gov, .edu are generally more reliable than websites ending in .com or .org. Wikis and blogs are not reliable sources of information because they are subject to inaccuracies. Your concluding sentence is the last sentence of your paragraph, and a concluding sentence draws together all the ideas you have raised in your paragraph. It reminds readers of the main point, the topic sentence, without restating it in exactly the same words. Using the hamburger example, the top bun, the topic sentence, and the bottom bun, the concluding sentence, are very similar. They frame the meat or body of the paragraph. Compare the topic sentence and concluding sentence from the previous example. There are numerous advantages to owning a hybrid car. Topic sentence. Concluding sentence. Given the low running costs and environmental benefits of owning a hybrid car, it is likely that many more people will follow Alex's example in the near future. Notice the use of the synonyms advantages and benefits. The concluding sentence reiterates the idea that owning a hybrid is advantageous without using the exact same words. And so your concluding sentence in your paragraph then summarizes the content of the paragraph. And so your concluding sentence restates the main idea, summarizes the key points in the paragraph, draws a conclusion based on the information in the paragraph, makes a prediction, suggestion, or recommendation about the information in the paragraph. Another function of the conclusion sentence is that the conclusion sentence helps transition one paragraph to another. A strong paragraph moves seamlessly from the topic sentence into the supporting sentence and on to the concluding sentence to help organize a paragraph and ensure that ideas logically connect to one another. Writers use transitional words and phrases. A transition is a connecting word that describes a relationship between ideas. Each of the underlying words. So here, there are numerous advantages to owning a hybrid car. First, they get 20 to 35% more miles to the gallon. Second, they produce very few emissions because they do not require gas. So those are all examples of transitions. The transition word because is a transition word of consequence and continues a line of thought. It indicates that the writer will provide an explanation of a result. In this sentence, the writer explains why hybrid cars will reduce dependency on fossil fuels. So here you have useful transitional words and phrases. Above all, also, aside from, at the same time, but conversely, correspondingly, for example, for instance, furthermore, however, in addition, in particular, later on, likewise, meanwhile, moreover, nevertheless, on one hand, on the contrary, subsequently, therefore, to begin with. Those are for supporting sentences. For concluding sentences, your transition words will be after all in all things considered, finally, in brief, in conclusion, in summary, on balance, on the whole, thus, to sum up. Key takeaways. A good paragraph contains 3 distinct components: a topic sentence, a body, and concluding sentence. The topic sentence expresses the main idea of the paragraph, combined with the writer's attitude or opinion about the topic. Good topic sentences contain both a main idea and a controlling idea, and are clear and easy to follow, use engaging vocabulary, and provide an accurate indication of what will follow in the rest of the paragraphs. Topic sentences may be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a paragraph, but in most academic essays, the topic sentence is placed at the beginning of a paragraph. Supporting sentences help explain, prove, or enhance the topic sentence by offering facts, reasons, statistics, quotations, or examples. Concluding sentences summarize the key points in a paragraph and reiterate the main idea without repeating it word for word. Transitional words and phrases help organize ideas in a paragraph and show how these ideas relate to one another. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to the Professor H Writing Channel. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time.